Namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about how to configure Windows automated patch management tool. Every vendor, whether that's a operating system vendor or the software vendors, they just find out yes this kind of loopholes or some new features they are adding. So security point of view and as per the new features point of view, they continuously update us. Yes, these things we have added new, okay, or we just had patched some security holes, so that just implement all these things on your system, on your devices, on your network, so that you will be able to enjoy the new feature of that product and you will be able to secure your devices from the known attacks which they observed. Okay, so patch management is really very essential for the security point of view as well, because they are observing yes these new kind of attacks they found in their product, and they implemented the security in their product, and they are offering us those release. So we must immediately, when we just get it, implement it. Otherwise if you will not implement, this will be we can say great security breach for our company and for even on our personal devices as well. Okay, because hackers will find out yes this patch is your PC or your device is not updated, and they will find out yes still it's open to perform an attack, let's just do it on that PC or on this device, on the network, and they will crack down the security of your personal devices and on the company's network. Clear? So become a responsible user and automatically patch management enable on your devices. So let's see on Windows how we can do it on Windows 10. Yeah. So when we are just talking about patch management, one is the operating system. Okay, so the vendors are like say Microsoft sending the new features related to the operating system, and the security patches, security releases, they are also sending to us, so that we can secure our operating system against the known attack which they observed. Okay, and another thing is software patch management. Whatever the software product we are using, Microsoft Office, Outlook, PowerPoint, or the other products which we are using, they are also send that patched or the releases for the for it, and then we must install it on our, or we must enable on our devices, so that we can enjoy the secure and the latest features whatever they included. All these things we can enjoy. Okay, and these things we can do with the help of the Windows setting and local group policy editor. So let's see quickly how we can do it. In the search bar, type window update settings and it will show you here. Okay, click on it, and after just clicking it, you will land at the settings setting option of this one. Check it whether your this option window updates is automatic updates is enabled or not. Okay, if you find yes some kind of new updates is on the screen, download it, install it. Okay, and what next you can do, here is in the advanced option, click on the advanced option. After clicking on the advanced option, you need to see whether you continuously will get update of. If that's off, keep it on, this one update notification, and so that when you will receive any update or the vendor will release any update, immediately just you will get the notification yes new release is sent by the vendor. Just install it, download it to your device. Clear? And what else we can do with the help of the group policy? We can also change it, and again in the search bar type it local group policy, and it will show you here. Okay, click on it with the admin right. You will be able to do it with the admin right, and under the computer configuration here, expand it, and in the administrative template here, first on this part, second is here, expand it again, and you will find the Windows component. Okay, under the window component, and you will just click on this one. Under the window component, you will find the Windows update here. Here, so in the Windows update, on the right hand side of it, you will see, yes, there is an option for the configure automatic updates. Double click on, and it will just give you the window for configure the automatic update. By default, it will if you haven't enabled it, it will say show you not configured, but you need to do it here. Select this enable button. Okay, after selecting this enable, click on apply and say okay. Okay, so in this way, by the Windows setting and the local group policy, you can set, yes, this as the way you whatever the updates that related to the operating system will get it. Okay, and another thing is software update, software patch management. How you can enable? In the search bar, okay, click here Microsoft Store. Okay, you will see here the Windows button that will be here. So near to the start button, there is a search option. Click here the Microsoft Store, then you will get it. Click on the Microsoft Store, and just on in the just corner of that one, you will get 3 dots. Click on that 3 dots, you will get the option of the setting. Click on the setting. Okay, once you will click on the setting option, make sure this must be enabled here. You need to put your attention on that part. Update app updates, update apps automatically, it must be on. If that's off, make sure it must be on. Okay, another thing, with the Windows settings, again go on the update, Windows update, and in the advanced option, for the software update also we can set here from the Windows setting, window in the advanced update, and the advanced update, just make sure this should be on. This one, receive updates for other Microsoft products when you update. So when you update the Windows, if some updates that related to the product or whatever the software you are using of the Microsoft, they will also notify you. Clear? In this way, you can enable the automatic patch management on your Windows machine. And follow me on the Cybersecurity Prism and get the notification for the next interesting informative session, and share that video with your friends and the group members, as many as possible, so that they will be able to implement the patch management on their device, and will be able to secure their operating system and the softwares which they are using, and so that attacker will not be able to penetrate on their devices or will not damage their devices. Okay, in the next session I will discuss about when you are receiving an email, maybe that is only a email or a cyber attack. So in the next session, be ready for the check again, are you receiving an email or cyber attack. Namaste, see you in the next session.